Welcome to SpiceCandies. We recently had a channel announcement and only 2 guys replied and asked for gummy bears. So we're doing something I haven't done in the past, I think 3 years or 2 years, and that is a gummy bear recipe that is something I developed. It is totally sugar free, meaning added sugar free. I'll be using this jam, and this jam is absolutely sugar free. It's made only from 100% fruits. There are no sugar additives, no sugar replacements, no sugar in there, just fruit. And this is it. It's very dark, it's very rich, but it is supposed to be strawberry. It's not really strawberry. You can feel the other fruits there because they're... Let me get the ingredients there for a second. It says 50% strawberry, and if you guys would like to read, here he goes. 50% strawberry. It has apple juice concentrate. It has pectin in it. It does have some lemon juice and sambuc juice, and that's about it. So its sugar content is 35%, but that's fruit based, so it's coming from the fruit, nothing else. So there goes our jam. You have some gelatin here, and as usual, if you want the recipe, just email me. I'll be happy to share. Now, we used to have a nice beaker to pour the finished gummy bear confection into molds, and I have some molds here. I have some gummy bear molds in blue, and I have some shell molds. So that broke, so I don't have it. We'll be using this thing, and I hope I'm gonna make it pouring something out of it. But here we go. Let's get started. So basically what we need is the jam. Let's get things out of the way here and focused. Right, so we need the jam. We need a tablespoon of water. Ha, managed to get it here without a spill. And I'm going to mix it in. Always reminds me baby food, doesn't it? Right below, tell me what you think. Okay, I'm breaking it down. And I did mention it does have pectin in it. That's because there's apple concentrate in that thing. And apples do have a lot of pectin in them. Now that's it. That's nice. We'll add the gelatin. And I'll just leave it be. You can actually mix it in if you like, or you just can leave it be to suck up the moisture. And that's why we had to add the water. There we go. I'll let it be for 10 minutes. The gelatin needs to blossom, I think the term is. Basically it needs to suck up the water and coagulate. And then we'll do what we need to do. This is, by the way, an off-topic peek, and you have the recipe on one of my previous videos. These are orange peels, candied orange peels. Now this is a 1.1 kilogram batch, around 2 pounds worth, so I'm giving it 10 days. The wife likes these coated with dark chocolate, and the kids like these as is. No more than 10 days and it's going to be gone, literally. And of course they're going to bring some to friends and get some to work, so it's not going to manage, and we're not going to eat all that alone, so don't worry about that. So I just wanted to show you what I'm doing in the meantime. Let's get back to gummy bears, more interesting. 10 minutes have passed, and by the way, if you're in a hurry and if you're doing other things, that's fine, you can leave it for more. Let me show you the difference. It's like hitting rubber. And if I'm trying to, it's not gonna, you can see it's not penetrating. It's really rubbery, so we're good to go. I'll pop this into the microwave for 20-30 seconds and I'll be back. Okay, 20 seconds did it. You can see it's fully liquid now. it's ready to go. It is a bit hot. You can see the steam. It's not really steam because the temperature here is 45 to 55 degrees Celsius. 49, let's say 50 degrees Celsius. So it's a bit hot, but it's okay. It's a good temperature to work at. Let's get set up over here. I'm going to use this mold. I dropped something over there. It is clean. You got some watermarks from my last wash. Let's get going. Let's see how I can be accurate with this thing here. Okay, one done. I think we did it. I'll put this in the fridge. It will cool off and I'll show you the result in a minute. Well, I didn't give them too much time to set because it's already near midnight and tomorrow is a day like any other day we work. So 5 minutes in the fridge and this has set up more or less okay. Still a bit too pliable, but definitely edible and definitely workable. So I'll let it be in the fridge for some more time. And basically I'm done. Now if you want to put these in a can or a jar of any sort, I recommend you put a little bit of oil. Any oil will do, but sunflower oil would be best. Canola oil would work just as well. The whole point is that you're using an oil that doesn't have a flavor of its own. So it'll coat these and will prevent them from sticking to each other because they're really sticky. Sticky but also stretchy, and this is really a nice texture. I like it. And the flavor is, well, basically it's a jam flavor. Whatever jam you choose, that's going to be the flavor. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you soon. Have a sweet day.